Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Khadijah, and in this video I'm going to review and discuss my research and academic article entitled Exploring Student Struggles in Identifying the Differences Between Skimming and Scanning in EFL Reading. This study focuses on English as a foreign language or EFL students, particularly first semester university students, and investigates their difficulties in distinguishing and applying skimming and scanning strategies in academic reading. This topic is highly relevant, especially for students, teachers, and researchers in English education. Reading is not simply about decoding words, it is a complex cognitive process that involves understanding, interpreting, and also interacting with a text. In English for Learners context, students are often introduced to skimming and scanning as basic reading strategies. Skimming is used to grasp the general idea of a text, while scanning is used to locate specific information such as names, dates, or keywords. However, despite learning these concepts, many English for Learners students struggle to apply them appropriately in real academic tasks. Previous studies have shown that students may understand the definition of these strategies but still fail to use them correctly. This gap between conceptual understanding and practical application is the main problem addressed in this study. The study aims to identify students' understanding of skimming and scanning, explore the difficulties students face when applying these strategies, and investigate the factors that cause misunderstandings or incorrect use. The research focuses on first semester students in the English Education Study Program at Raja Ali Haji Marutam University, Indonesia. After that, this research uses a mixed method approach, combining both qualitative and quantitative data. The participants consist of 29 first semester students, including male and female students. Data were collected through questionnaires and then to pretest interviews and observation during students' decision-making processes when selecting reading strategies. The questionnaires measure students' perception and confidence levels, while interviews provided deeper insight into how and why students chose certain strategies. This methodological combination allows the researchers to capture both numerical trends and in-depth explanation. The findings reveal several important points. First, skimming is more familiar and more frequently used than scanning. Most students feel comfortable skimming to understand general ideas, but they are less confident when scanning for specific information. Second, although many students demonstrate basic conceptual understanding, their application of the strategies is inconsistent. Some students tend to skim all text even when scanning is more appropriate. And then third, interviews show that students often select strategies based on personal comfort, not on the reading task or goal. When confused, several students reported rereading the entire text, which indicates limited strategic and metacognitive awareness. The main causes of these difficulties include habitual reading behavior, limited vocabulary, insufficient metacognitive awareness. In conclusion, this study shows that first semester UFL students possess a foundational understanding of skimming and scanning, but still struggle to apply these strategies consistently and accurately. The findings highlight the need for explicit instruction, contextualized and guided practice, and greater emphasis on reading purposes and strategy awareness. For teachers and curriculum designers, this research provides valuable insights for improving academic reading. For teachers and curriculum designers, this research provides valuable insights for improving academic reading instruction in EFL context. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Toodles. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.